Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. My name is Aditi and today we're going to talk about what to save and splurge on for your bedroom. When it comes to decorating any room, it's reasonable to assume that you can't splurge on every single piece of furniture or accessory that you put into your space. The bedroom is the place where you relax, unwind and roughly spend at least 1/3 of your life, so it should certainly feel calm. That said, if you're confused about how to decide what you should spend your money on and where to cut corners, well, leave it to the experts. So, let's get started. You can always splurge on custom drapery.
Since every window and room is different, custom window treatments are the place to splurge. If you want window treatments that look right into your space, it's best to make the investment in some that are tailor-made for your unique windows. When you order custom drapery, you're designing something specifically for the width and length of your windows and the height of your ceiling, so you can guarantee they'll look proportional. Plus, you'll want to make sure that you have drapery that suits your sleeping needs, whether that be of the blackout variety for the light sleeper or perhaps a sheer option
for those who like to rise with the sun. You need to save on nightstands since they are a heavy use item in the bedroom.
While you might not realize it, nightstands are susceptible to a lot of wear and tear. Considering you can find affordable and perfectly sized nightstands at just about any furniture store, the high-end route isn't worth taking, and in small space you don't even need nightstands. Try flanking your bed with wall-mounted shelves or even a set of simple chairs. All you really need is enough surface for a clock,
lamp and maybe a glass of water. Don't ever think twice before splurging on art.
The great thing about decor products is that there is so much out there that is affordable and really good quality. So where I want and recommend to spend money is on a really special or vintage piece of art that you love for your bedroom. One good piece of art can make your space unique and elevate the overall style. Plus, it's something that can easily move in with you from room to room or home to home. Art is always a great investment, even if you're currently living in a rental. And remember, there's no need to buy all the art for your home at one time. A solid personal art collection takes
time, thought and careful curation. Where we would suggest saving is sheets.
We honestly suggest using simple bedding most of the time with cool throw or quilt. Premium bed sheets are quick, not to discount luxury bedding, but if budget is of concern, your money just might not be best spent here. Since it's fairly easy to fake the look of a high-end bed, it's all about layering. Find a neutral budget bedding set to use as a base and then pile on a few interesting throw pillows and a blanket. This way you can easily switch out these accessories when you feel like changing up
your bedroom without buying all new bedding. You can always splurge on a mattress pad and pillow.
Maybe you wish you could replace your mattress. It's never been that great, but it's not quite past its prime yet. Well, that doesn't mean you can't tweak your sleep setup at all. In fact, we believe in splurging on comfort with a couple of key bed add-ons. Find yourself a comfy foam mattress pad and pair it with memory foam pillows. You might be surprised how much these extras
make a difference in terms of comfort. Don't forget to save on decorative accessories.
When you set out to decorate your bedroom, make sure your space feels tranquil, which means keeping extra objects to a minimum. Be careful not to overspend on too many accessories or furnishings when decorating your space. Our bedroom should feel restful and spacious, not cluttered with excess stuff and furniture.
This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.